Good morning, friends. This is Memo. I'm going to be making some yeast rolls, some dinner rolls. And I've got 1 cup of warm water. And I'm going to add a pack of yeast to that. And I'm going to let it set till it gets nice and foamy and mixed good. Got to get my scissors. Now, 1 pack of yeast. And that's what I use. And we just give this a little mixer ready. And we'll let it set until it gets mixed good. A few minutes. We'll set that aside. And now to my KitchenAid, I'm going to add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, a dash of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar. Now I'm going to give the yeast a few minutes and then I'll add it. I'm adding 1/2 stick of butter, melted or softened, whichever one you want to do. Now I'll wait a few more minutes on the yeast. Now I'm going to add the warm yeast mixture. Now this will go on my KitchenAid until it's mixed good. And now that it's mixed good, I'm going to bring it out and put it in this bowl, which I have coated with olive oil. It's pretty sticky, but we'll take care of that later. Now I'm going to set this on the stove where it's warm at and let it double in size. Takes about an hour, hour and a half. And now it has raised really good, more than doubled. I'm going to flour my little sheet here with flour and work them out. And now I'm going to turn it out on the floured surface. You want to work it up a little bit to where it's not sticky no more. Just a little flour, not a whole lot. I'm not going to cook all of these. I'm going to cook me about 6, and then I'm going to freeze the rest of them. And when I freeze the rolls, I don't let them rise the second time. When I bring them out of the freezer to cook, I put them on a baking sheet and put them in a warm place and let them thaw out and rise for 45 minutes. I'm going to get this worked up and I'll be right back. I'm going to use a little glass, a little jelly glass, or I think jelly, Welch's jelly, to cut them out with. I'm just going to cut out 6 because that's all I'm going to bake. And now I'll place these in my pan and they'll rise again for 45 minutes. Now that I got 6 in my pan to cook now, I'm going to put them in a warm place, let them rise for 45 minutes. I rolled these out about the size of a golf ball, and I'm going to freeze these, and when they get frozen, I'll put them in a Ziploc bag and just take them out when I need them, and lay them on a baking sheet, let them rise 45 minutes and bake them. And now they have rose for the second time. I'm going to brush the tops with butter before I put them in the oven. And they go in the oven at 350 until golden brown, which takes about 25 minutes. And here they are right out of the oven. They smell so good. I know I'm going to sit down and eat at least 2 of them while they're hot. I wish my sister was here to eat some with me. She loves hot bread too. But anyway, y'all have a good day and thanks for watching.